lot easier if they just made a sound.
Yeah.
So people stop asking.
Yeah. Well, sometimes I like to inform people that it's
Oh yeah, it's not to eat it everywhere else too. Yeah, that was real informational. Yeah. Thank you, because I was going to go to the
fish fry.
Around that area.
Yeah, around that area, and I was gonna probably ask somebody. Yeah. Because if I couldn't get it here,
they would sell it to you.
Yeah.
You know. Because,
Do you have any recommendations of what we should try over there?
Well, right here we got a local place that sells main local food.
Where?
At the Bahamian Road, Frankie Gone Bananas.
Frankie's.
Yeah, Frankie's. But I mean, if you go over by the fish fry, under the bridge we have a place, McKinsey's. We sell cooked food, fried fish, seafood. We have a full menu right there under the bridge. Same color, pink and white. Yeah.
I wanted to get some good food off of this property.
If you go to the fish fry,
it's the same thing?
Yeah. The prices are much cheaper.
Where?
At the fish fry. Or even at our place underneath the bridge.
What's underneath? Oh, underneath.
Under the bridge, yeah. Under the bridge.
Do we have to take a cab there?
Well, during the daytime, some people would walk over the bridge,
What's under the bridge?
It's little restaurants, seafood restaurants. Yeah. But
And it's not a part of the Atlantis, right?
No. But if you go over there, I'd say our place, McKinsey's. But if you go out to fish fry, I'd say probably, Twin Brothers is pretty good. But,
yeah, that's what somebody told us, Twin Brothers.
But just don't get, they still try to sell the Conch salad at Twin Brothers.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Yeah. But you could get a, Bahamian dish, Bahamian food.
What's the pepper that you use that's spicy?
Well, we got pepper. It's goat pepper, we call it.
Goat or goat?
Goat, G-O-A-T.
Is it really spicy?
Oh yeah.
I like it real spicy.
Okay.
She's like sweating while she eats.
He can't stand it.
I like my food hot too, Yeah, I like it hot. I put like the hot sauce. I put that on everything I eat.
Pepper sauce?
Yeah.
On
cooked food, that is.
I like Scotch bonnet. And I like jalapeno, but it's not too spicy.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks like Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, it looks, It looks just like a Scotch bonnet, yeah.
Is it more spicy or less? What do you think?
This is hot.
It's more than a Scotch bonnet?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe this is too much, huh? No?
That's so convenient because you don't have to use so much to make it spicy for somebody. But I'll be good.
Yeah. People don't buy the shrimp salad like how they do the conch salad,
Oh, because it's not even on the menu though.
Yeah, it's not on the menu. Sometimes I say, well, we got shrimp, but some people say we can get the shrimp anywhere. I agree.
I wanted like that. At least if I taste this salad, I'll kind of know what the.
No,
they don't have it. They don't have it. No, they said that he just said that there's something that's in the water that is not good to drink.
Right, so it's unhealthy. It's unhealthy right now.
Thank you for telling them that.
Yeah, now I'm going to tell everybody. You told the right person. I'm going to tell everybody. But now, since you're making that, and that's how you make the conch salad usually.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to know how it kind of tastes.
Yeah.
I'm glad I can at least taste it.
Only the difference is the shrimp. But this is how we make the regular conch salad. The traditional conch salad.
It looks so. I can smell the spice.
Oh yeah.
Like I can smell it.
conch, man. Sometimes we got line all the way down there.
Are
You
you
know?
serious?
Oh yeah, we make probably like sometimes 70, 80 conch.
So do you
salad.
make a large one and then like?
Oh no, we
Oh, it has
make
to be
it
fresh
to order.
every time.
Yeah.
What?
So every time we order conch salad, we come and just do it
Oh
fresh.
man, that's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
You're like an expert.
Well, I've been making the conch salad from I was a kid. That was my dad's favorite food. So even when I didn't want to do it, he'd make. I would have to make it for my dad, you know. As a matter of fact, I'd have to go collect them first. Go
Oh, you
in
know
the
how to collect
ocean.
them?
Oh yeah, you gotta go in the ocean and get
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
You have to get on a boat to go, or you can usually go anywhere.
Yeah. Sometimes we when I was a kid, we were able to just walk out and pick them up. With the water right around your waist.
Oh wow. Oh, so you don't
Now,
have to go too deep.
now you got to use the
Go
boat.
all the way in.
Come moving out.
Because people been.
in the
Oh.
deeper water. Yeah. So how many spoons would you like?
Oh, just one.
One.
Is it raw? No, it's cooked. Oh, the conch is cooked? No, it's shrimp. They don't have conch. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, and
Okay.
you're the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Have a wonderful night.
You too.
Okay.